we've got fx equals x5 minus 230. And they want to know when this will equal 0. Okay? So, this is kind of a stupid question because you know what the answer is. The answer is going to be x equals 5th root of 230. So it's kind of stupid. What they want you to do is to guess the answer is 3 and then use Newton-Raphson to get a better guess. But like I said, it's stupid because you don't need to guess, you know the answer. But anyways, they first say guess x1 equals 3. Now it's wrong, it's not 3 because 3 power 5 minus 230 doesn't equal 0. So we use Newton-Raphson to get a better value. x2 equals x1 minus fx1 over f derivative x1. So that would be 3 power 5 minus 230 minus, sorry, that's a lie, equals 3 minus fraction 3 power 5 minus 230, because that's fx, and then the derivative is 5x power 4. So we take out our calculators and we type in 3 minus fraction, and on the top we have 3 power 5 minus 230 over 5 3 power 4. And then they want the answer, I think, to 4 significant figures. So that's 2.968. How good is that, by the way? Let's see how, I'm curious to how good it is. 967. Yeah, so it's pretty close to the true answer. Okay. See, that's it for 4 marks. That's 4 marks.
Where's the 3 power 4 from?
Ah, derivative.
But minus 230 is not 0.
Yeah. That becomes 5x4 for there. There. This is f. Yes? This is f.
Yeah.
True?
Oh yeah. Fine.
And this is f derivative. True?
Yeah.
Okay. How sick are you?
I forgot to put the x here.
I think you're very sick. Yeah? Yeah? Easy, I think. Well, I think it's easy, but I'm not doing the exam, you're doing the exam. Right, so let's see the next one. The next one.
So we don't have to explain, just put.
No, that's it. 4 marks, A10, 4 minutes, go.
3 over 70 days.
Hmm?
There's no 70 minutes. 70.
Hmm. Ah, no, that's right. Okay, time's up. The time taken for a large container to fill with water can be assumed to follow a normal distribution with mean 40 and standard deviation 2. So this is the one where we draw our bell curve. And here is a 40 and standard deviation is 2. And we want to know how many days will it take more than 42 minutes. So firstly we mark off 42 here and we're looking for this. Okay? We Z transform. Yeah, very good. That's 1. Okay. So this here is going to be 1 minus table book value of 1. Okay. And this happens how many times in 70 days? So for example, if this was 0.1, then that means it happens for 7 days in 70. So to finish, we just need to take this number and multiply it by 70 to know how many days this happens. Yeah. So we open up our formula book that you'll get in the exam. Here it is here. And we'll go to I think the last page. Yeah. We go to 1. We get 0.8413. 1 minus 0.8413 times 70, what's that? Oh, I don't have my calculator here. Now, what do we do? Do we say it's 11? 11.1? Yeah, like let's read the question very carefully and decide. On approximately how many days will it take more than 42 minutes to fill the container? I think it seems like perhaps we should say 11, but that's not super clear to me.
These, you can't count these.
Yeah. I think, Khalifa, you're right, because they said approximately how many days. I think I should make it 11. Okay? Is this okay, Ben? Will we look at the next one? So the next one is only 3 marks, so 3 minutes. Go.
Seconds, what? Wrong with that.
No. They
Wrong
tell
with
you in the question what it is, Gow.
It's wrong. Close?
Yeah, they say it. Okay, time is up for sure. Let's have a look. So, are you ready to look, Gow? Y equals sec x. Y equals 1 over cos x. So dy dx equals the bottom squared. The bottom times derivative of the top minus the top times derivative of the bottom.
God, it's zero.
Okay. So, right? The bottom square, so that's equal to sine x over cos squared x, which is equal to sine x over cos x times 1 over cos x, which is equal to tan x sec x.
On one of these.
Continue? Right. Next question. 4 marks, 4 minutes. Go. Okay, you should be finished now. Let's have a look. So what we'll do is we'll multiply everything by x minus 3 and x plus 2 squared. So then we'll get 2x plus 9 equals a, x plus 2 squared, plus b, x minus 3, x plus 2, plus c, x minus 3.
2x plus 19.
For which one?
Plus my 19.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Right, so first we'll say let x equal 3. So then you'll get 2 times 3 is 6, plus 19 is 25. That will equal 25a, and so a equals 1. Then we'll say let x equal minus 2. Then you'll get 15 equals minus 5c, so c equals minus 3. Then finally you say let x equal 0. Then you get 19 equals 4a minus, and 4a is 4, minus 6b minus 3c. 6b is minus 1. And there you go. There's the answer.
So we can't use the method 3 to cover.
No, because of this guy. Well, okay, Gav, sorry. Just to be clear, you could use the cover-up method to get A, and you could use the cover-up method to get C, but you can't use it to get B, so you'll need to do something else for B. But, yeah, the cover-up method works to get A and C. The reason it doesn't work to get B is because if you only cover up x plus 2, and then you make x equal minus 2, you have a problem here.
So that's why it's suited for any situation.
Say again?
That method is suited for any situation.
Yeah, it does, yeah. Cover-up method is nicest. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do next, we'll now switch to physics. We'll do some physics. So if you can open up version 2 of the physics paper now. Because I think we're finished this one, aren't we? For section A, I mean, for now. Yeah.